Welcome to MBBSCouncil. Congratulations to all those who got allotment in the first round MCC counseling. In this video, I'll talk about 4 important things you should know while joining the allotted college. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. After you download the allotment letter, talk to the college and find out the joining procedure. Depending on whether you plan to upgrade or not, college authorities will tell you whether you can do online reporting or do you require to do physical reporting. If you have not visited the allotted college earlier, it is better to do physical reporting and check college infrastructure and patient flow. One girl student during last year counseling visited Jipmer Karaikal and finally decided to join Indira Gandhi Medical College Shimla, located in her native state, after seeing the Karaikal Jipmer campus infrastructure. Check the mode of payment. It could be NEFT, RTGS or demand draft. Some government colleges ask you to pay cash in the bank located inside or near the college campus. Some colleges may ask you to transfer it online. Cross-verify the bank details in the official college website before proceeding with the transfer. Note that some colleges do not accept cash and expect only online transfer or DD. So always check with the college before you make the travel plan. Many parents are asking whether they can deduct the security deposit amount paid to MCC while paying the tuition fees for the college. No, you need to pay the entire amount and the security deposit amount will be refunded by MCC after the counseling completes. You need to hand over your original documents to the college during admission, and it will be with the college till you complete the medical graduation. Take enough photocopies of your documents for the future need, as it is going to be a difficult process to get it again from college management for taking photocopies. You also need to carry 2 sets of photocopies of your documents during the reporting. After payment of fees and handing over original documents, if you are looking for better college in the second round MCC counseling, then you need to ask 2 important information from the college. One is the reallocation fees, which is the amount of deduction on the tuition fees during refund. Next is the number of days it takes to get the fees refund. Based on this, you can decide whether you need to arrange money if new medical college is allotted in the second round, as MCC will give less than 5 days for joining the allotted college. You should also ask the resignation formalities, as some medical colleges allow only upgradation through MCC counseling but does not allow to resign if they get seat through state quota. You will get an admission letter from the college downloaded from MCC website. This will contain whether you have opted for upgradation or not for the second round. Till you get this admission letter from the college, consider that your admission process is not complete. One last thing to remember is that if you are vaccinated for 2 doses, then carry that certificate when you go to the college. If not, take RT-PCR negative test report recently taken. Check with the college management the protocol they follow. This brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you need expert guidance, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.